Hey guys, Sarah here from the Glitter Guy, and we're with Shannon Lineberry from Shanta's workshop. And we're going to teach you guys how to make a galaxy cup. Please disregard any weird background noise you might hear. We are having a little bathroom problem getting fixed. You might be wondering why we are dressed so fabulous, because today is our company Halloween party. So it's such a great day for Shannon to visit us. All right, let's dive on in.
And we're dressed like a glitter guy.
Oh yeah,
glitter colors,
we both
right?
represent a glitter.
So
Sure, you
maybe
guys
they
can take your guesses.
in the comments.
Yeah. So what we have here is 3 Marabou inks. We have turquoise, magenta, and my favorite, rainbow. We have our Ranger ink foam dabbers. And we're going to use a medium opal, shooting stars, and golden twinkle. Shannon went ahead and prepped these cups for us.
Yeah, so the first thing you do when you're making the Galaxy Tumbler is you want to prep it with black. You're going to let that dry for maybe 30 minutes to an hour. And then you're going to go back in and you're going to spray some white bursts, but you're going to hold your spray can kind of far out because you want this overspray because that kind of looks like the stars like in the distance. And then you get to ink them. And you're just going to swirl it onto your dabber.
Does it matter if I start with blue?
You can start with blue. You can start with whatever color you want. And then you're just going to kind of lightly dab in random spots on your white. And I do spray the bottom of the cup too because you want to go in there with some color. You can leave the black and then you kind of want to leave some white too because you're going to go back in with your second color. Once you have all of your white covered, you're going to go in with a little spray bottle of alcohol.
I think so.
And you're going to hold it a few inches away, 8-ish inches away, and you're just going to give a light spritz to your colored areas. And then you can see where it kind of reacts with the alcohol inks and creates some cells and lets a little more of your white show through. And you just kind of go around and do that until you like the way it looks. And don't worry about it. And then once you get your cells how you want it, or your spritz, if you're done with that, you take your rainbow, and this one you gotta make sure you shake up really well because it gets like stuck. And this is what we're gonna put on the black. I kind of go in and put it randomly, and then I'll go back and like mix it back in. So we let this dry for a little while, maybe 15-ish minutes until you don't see any more like shiny wet spots. And then you're gonna spray a clear sealer over it before you
Oops, I'm spraying you.
go with the epoxy.
Okay guys, our cups are dried. We sealed them with clear coat and we're ready for our next step. We have them on our cup turners. These cup turners we got from the Tumbler Grip. You can find them on Facebook. And let's dive right in.
All right, so we're just gonna mix up our epoxy and then put a tiny bit of the golden twinkle in to add a little extra shimmer.
We have medium viscosity from Counterculture.
Twinkle, you only need just like a tiny bit, so I'm just going to dip the end of the stirrer and just get teensiest little bit. So like literally just that teeny amount. Once you get your twinkle all mixed up, you just apply it to the cup.
We got our heat gun. We're just gonna pop our bubbles in our epoxy real quick. This can also be done with a blowtorch. Whatever you want.
Alright, so once you've got your bubbles popped, you just start hand sprinkling. Put on a fresh new pair of gloves because when you hand sprinkle your shooting stars and your hacked glitter, you don't want the oils from your hands to transfer and repel the epoxy. Stars, like when I do the Galaxy ones, I just like to do, like for me again, like less is more, but you can do it however. No, like yours looks really good too. Like it's just however you want to make it.
So that's it. These will spin until they're fully cured, and
then you add your next coat of epoxy and whatever decal you want. And personally, I like to use a holographic silver because it really stands out.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos, and we hope that this was helpful for you. All of the items that we used today to make our cup, minus the turner and the epoxy, you can find right on the Glitter Guy website. Thank you.